Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So it's giveaway time. Let's go in the other room and we'll see who the lucky winner is going to be for this vantrue F1 motorcycle dash cam. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, everybody, we got the YouTube random comment picker up. We've got the URL up here, and there was only 7 comments, and so let's get to it. You guys ready? Here we go. Will Nate 35, you're the winner, man. Awesome. Hey Rick, I know you're gonna like it, man. That's awesome. There was only 7 comments, and or 6 comments, whatever it was. I think it was 6. I keep saying 7, but so anyways, so I'll let you know, and we'll send this out to you. Now you're just gonna have to pick a bike. You know, which one are you gonna put it on? You know, so that was awesome, and I'm glad you won, and so yeah, we'll I'll be in touch with you, and we'll box it up and get it sent out. So thanks to everybody else that joined the giveaway. I wish there was a few more people, but hey, you know what? It's better odds this way. So all right, everybody, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.